What's up guys, Connor here, and today we are talking about our brand new tactical mounting strap kit and how to attach it not only to your Krypteia JD35s, but all of our other sheaths as well. So with that being said, let's go ahead and open this thing up. So you notice on the back of the packaging too, just a little pointer here, we've got a QR code. All you need to do with your iPhone is pull out your camera, scan that QR code. It's going to take you a link straight to this video on the product page for the strap kit. All right, so what comes inside? We've got your two straps. That's one. Second strap here. And then your mounting loops and hardware. Okay, so step one, you're going to pull that screw off the back of the mounting hardware and empty these mounts. That way I can feed the straps through these loops. All right, next step is you want to take your loop and you want to open it. You can see how it's got an opening on the back side. It's not a complete loop. And you're going to slide the strap in through that opening. We had these designed for this strap. Slide that strap through the loop, just like that. So now it's fastened on there. So I'll do the same thing with the other one. And there's extra strap here too, so you can adjust the size, cut it, and then burn it. Okay. All right, so both loops are on the straps. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my female hardware, that would be the screw post, I'm gonna put it into the back of that loop. And we'll get close-ups on this for you. So I've got my female hardware right there. And now I'm ready to put the first strap on. So in regards to the sheath, I'm gonna be calling hole 1 and 2, and then hole 3 and 4. Those are the holes that you'll be mounting the loops to. So go ahead and take your retention screw off. I'm going to grab the mount with both screws in it, holding from the back so those screws don't pop off, and then just feed it through those first two holes, just like that, okay? So from there, I will take the two threaded screws, the male side, and tighten those down, okay? Now what's cool about the number 1 hole is you still have that retention adjustability. So if you want to go tighter and make the sheath tighter too, just keep cranking down on that first screw. I'll put the second hole in. All right, so your first strap is on, just like that. Now what you want to do, you want to make sure that your clips are on the right side. And we always suggest to have the strap wrapped around the outside of the sheath, so if it mounted on your leg, that strap is pulling in on the sheath. So first one's done, it's in the right orientation. All you need to do is tighten to adjust it, and then you can cut this, scissors, and then just burn it. So we'll do the second one real quick. Same thing on the second one. You're gonna take your two female screws, push them in to those holes on the back side, just like this, and then same deal. I'm going to go through holes 1, 2, 4, and 5. And these are a little bit closer together, but what's cool about these strap loops is that because they're not a full loop, completely enclosed, there's the opening on the back side, you have that adjustability. So because these two holes, holes 4 and 5, are a little bit closer together, it doesn't matter because they'll still fit through those holes. So same thing, I'm gonna take my two male screws here, put screw in through hole 4, tighten that down, and you can use blue thread lockers, what we recommend. That way if you need to take them off, it's not locked in there. If you use the red thread locker, that's a more of a permanent hold. All right, so we've got that second strap on there. Both straps are in the correct orientation, so you can see how that would be mounted onto your leg or wherever you're mounting it. And then all you have to do is take that extra slack and then tighten it to however it fits you best. And then you've got another piece of elastic on the back. That way you can take that excess strap and tuck it. Fasten the clip. I've got the strap over the top of the sheath, and then I'm gonna cinch it tight. And then obviously all this is excess. I can cut that, burn it, and then I can tuck it in this piece of elastic. And we'll do the same thing with the bottom strap. Cinch it tight. and then I would cut it, burn it, and then tuck it.